here we go. So we got an 82 Mercedes 300D turbo. Driving this guy down to Reno, doing a trade deal. It's got almost 400K on it, and I'm going to video the whole trip here. We had to make a quick stop. Got a little bit of an issue with the rear brakes. Get that fixed and we'll be on our way. Just wait till you see what I'm picking up and trade for this old Mercedes. That happened. She blew a tire at about 75 and a 70. Oh yeah, nice. So update number, I guess, 3 now. So made it to a fellow friend's house. We're going to be changing out some tires on it. The other one on the other side tried to go. Alright. The saga continues. The thermostat started acting up, so it's been deleted. So we made it to Klamath Falls. Stopping for the night. It's getting 35 miles to the gallon, which is really not bad for an old 82 300D. Got about 4 more hours to get to Reno in the morning. It's been an interesting trip, and I'm looking forward to what's to come next. So she gets a little angry pulling hills. Had to make a little break here. Let her cool down a little bit. Break time. Hey, what's up? Did the deal. Look what I got. 86 Pontiac Fiero GT. 88,000 miles, automatic. Did an alternator and fixed some wiring. It needs work, but it drives okay. So, little update on the Fiero. As you can see, I'm out at Pick and Pull in Sparks, Nevada. We had to go to the Indy Fiero to get some brake pads because the 86 fastback that I got, you can't get brake pads in Reno Sparks for at least 2 days, and I don't have that time. But we did find a decent used set that'll get me back home. Fun times. There we go, we're out to it finally again. Gonna get some brakes done, get on the road, back home. Oh, here we go. This is why I had to do brakes. Almost metal to metal. Like one good hard brake, poof, goes the brake pads. So it's been an interesting 24 hours. The radiator cap failed, allowing coolant to overfill into the overflow. Bought a replacement cap, and it wasn't sealing, so we had to get another one. Noticed that the thermostat housing cap was cracked and leaking, so we had to go get another one. I'm doing the warm-up to see if we're going to lose coolant at the front, and I'm going to let it completely warm up, shut it off, verify levels, and then we're going to go drive it and see what it does. Just kicked the cooling fan on, waiting for it to cool back down. Then I'm going to shut it off, wait for it to completely cool down, and then check coolant. Made it to Modoc National Forest at a rest stop. It's doing okay. We got an ingenious setup right now to keep the radiator cool, using the windshield sprayers. It's working pretty good, keeping her well below. These cars just don't like the heat, and it's about 98 degrees outside. So this is the fun we've had to do. We've had to trigger the sprayer bottle manually to cool the radiator. It's not overheating, it's just not running where it needs to be. But yeah, we're fine. We got it. Well, got the Fiero home. It was a good trip. I'm just out driving it right now, doing a parts run. I got a few more things to look at, but should be all good. Just figured I'd do the ending of the video with me driving it in my area.